Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making blueberry muffins.
Period.
Period.
Are you gonna introduce?
Oh, this is Taby, but you already know her because she's in every video. I saved you. Did y'all see that? Oh, bitch.
Yeah.
Ow. Guys, so we've determined that my titties are bigger than hers.
No, they're not.
Yes,
Shut
they
up. No. Stop.
Okay,
Today we are making blueberry muffins.
today our brand, Betty Crocker, our girl Betty really coming through.
Cracker.
Betty Cracker.
Preheat the oven.
To what temperature?
425.
420.
Okay.
So first, what we're gonna do is combine. Oh my lord. Okay, so for Lord Almighty, oh my god. So while she's cutting that open, I'm gonna go get 3/4 cup water. Oh my god, why am I so good at cooking?
That smells good.
Okay, so now you take your 3/4 cup water. You've got a nice pour. Okay, and then we have our good 1/4 cup oil because we're skinny. Oh my.
Science rules.
Measurements. Okay, and now we need 2 eggs. Taby has officially claimed that she can crack them one-handed.
I can at least crack 1 out of 2. Then you just put your finger in and just. Oh, that one's kind of bad.
Yummy. Oh my god. What a queen.
Thanks. That one's kind of bad.
My legend.
Womp.
POV, you have some chunks.
We have to do blueberries now.
Oh.
I am turning it. It's not. Can you do it?
This is easy. Come on, get it together.
Oh, that looks so. Oh, it's open. Good job. And unopened.
Okay, I give up. We can take a knife and just shove it in there. I know Gordon Ramsay's watching this and he's like, oh my god, they're coming for my career. And so as I say, run it up. Let's see what happens.
Get out!
What?
I want my sponsorship, Gordon Ramsay. I'm broke.
Rams?
Ramsay. Oh, damn. Oh, look at that. Oh.
See, I obviously wear the pants.
Yeah.
Because I can open a can.
Wow. They kind of built like a bird pooped them out, but that's okay. Okay, so while she's mixing thoroughly because she claimed, oh my god, you left this thing a mess. Oh my god.
And now we have to put those in.
Okay.
And I'll go.
So step 1 is to put your things in the thing. And because I am an actual chef, as you can see from all of my cooking videos that only I am featured in, no one else, we know that we need to spray these with ham, otherwise
No, we don't.
because then they're gonna stick.
No.
Yes!
Is your father stupid? Has he got mental illness?
My GPA is higher.
Peter, you do not pan that.
Okay, fine. I guess we're not pamming it, but watch when it gets sticky.
Peter, these are supposed to go like this. Have you ever had a muffin with the lining?
Yeah, they still stick. Okay, let's do one with ham. One of them. Just one. Just one.
No.
What?
No.
Okay, stay in the shot, guys. Oh my god. R.
No.
Yeah.
No.
POV, your 3,000, my 300-pound life.
Okay. That looks like the inside of, you know when SpongeBob eats that fake Krabby Patty and it's all gray on the inside? So you want to take a scoop? Just dump. We're going to have to do 2 scoops. We'll come back and do the second scoop. We just want to make sure everyone gets a scoop first. Okay.
So it kind of looks like a Oompa Loompa shat on it, but that's okay.
You're gonna get, what's that word? Banned.
YouTube, please. I'm broke.
Then you wanna put the...
She's scared to put it in the oven.
I don't like your guys' oven. It's too chunky.
You know what else is chunky?
Mr. Sellers.
Me.
He
Guys, everyone's complaining about how online school is like the worst, but I'm loving it. I don't have to see all those fake people.
Okay, then you need to set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes, which means we're gonna set it at 17 minutes.
Oh my god.
Let me pack on your back. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, now we're gonna make TikToks.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Here are the muffins. They look very crispy and golden brown, kind of blue like an Oompa Loompa, like a Smurf, kind of shatted out, but that's okay. We're gonna cut it in half so you can get that good aesthetic ASMR of cutting in half. It cuts great. Woo! Nice and Smurfy on the inside. Clink! Pretty adequate.
Period.
Make sure to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Thank you guys for watching again. Adios. You guys enjoy.
Bye.
Ow, my ass.